understood the sedentary lifestyle that we go on, our everyday lifestyle, because of which most of our body parts have become really rigid, and they start with a pace that starts slow, make every moment, right from top to toe, and then we go about ending it with different kinds of pranayam, the animal breathing, and then we realize how important each of it is, which we are lacking in our everyday lifestyle.
She started with a gratitude prayer and she ended it with a gratitude, which I think is significant, because gratitude changes your entire construct of your behavior, of your attitude, and of your alignment of the body. So I think it was completely therapeutic.
हमारी हेक्टिक लाइव्स में अगर कुछ सुकून देने का काम करता है तो वो ये डांस फॉर्म है, और उसमें मल्टीपल लेयर्स थी, बहुत सारे प्रोसेसेस थे, वो शुरू कहीं से हुआ और वो पहुंच कहीं तक गया. एट द एंड ऑफ इट वी कुड फील द वाइब्रेशन फ्रॉम आवर टोज टू द फिंगर टिप्स.
I never thought that I could paint, and when Venki showed us the picture that we were going to paint, I was like, this is impossible. Such a beautiful picture of a girl standing next to a tree, and they're like stars in the sky. We're like, no, na ho payega. But eventually, the whole family, me, my wife, and both the kids, we did it. And thanks to Venki, thanks to Happyness Factory.
My family, people who are connected, people that they should come and experience the Happyness Factory.
Don't hurry, be happy. Come to the Happyness Factory.